Welcome to the first video in our series on hypnotherapy techniques. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of hypnotic programming. Hypnotic programming is a powerful technique used in hypnotherapy to help you rewire your subconscious mind. It's about replacing negative beliefs or habits with positive, empowering ones. During a session, you're guided into a deeply relaxed state, allowing your conscious mind to step aside so we can work directly with your subconscious. This is where lasting change happens. For added benefit, we offer programming recordings that you can listen to while falling asleep. Research shows that the mind is particularly receptive during the transition into sleep, making these recordings even more effective. By listening for a few nights, the programming becomes deeply sealed into your subconscious, creating lasting change. Studies suggest that the brain's ability to consolidate memories and reinforce learning is heightened during sleep, making sleep programming an incredibly effective tool for change. Imagine waking up each day more empowered, more confident, and free from the patterns that once held you back. Hypnotic programming can help you achieve that. Ready to rewire your mind for success? Contact Raha Hypnotherapy Clinic today and explore the power of hypnotic programming.